got himself another bass. Shore Acres Road, also known as Highway 89, Kontiki Marina. Water access. Here we are, the Blue Ice Report, July 2nd. A free Innisfil launch in Guilford. Highway 89 and Cooks Bay. The gentleman will get ready, lining up to get his boat out at Highway 89. Taking a boat out at Highway 89. There you go. Highway 89 and Cooks Bay. Boat out. Putting the boat in at Highway 89, Cooks Bay, right at Kontiki Marina. It's a 23-foot hunter.
A little more, yeah. Good?
There you go.
There you are.
Came off. And it floats away. Yeah. 23-foot hunter. Launched. This is Guilford Road. In the summertime, it is a beach area, and you can see there's quite a few people enjoying the beach here today. It's chained off, but it's open in the wintertime for the ice fishermen.